How to fix limited access in Discord 2025 easy fix. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Discord support, or you can also write down the web link like https support.discord.com, and after coming to here, you just have to uh, write fix a limited access, and you just can see there is a article like limited access FAQ. You just have to simply click on here, and after that uh, it says how do I know I've been placed in limited access. And while you are in limited access, you will not able to dismiss the notice, as you can see from here. And in limited access, you can message your existing friends, but you can't send outgoing friend requests, direct messages, or any friend added with while you were in limited access. Join new servers, and when attempting to join new servers, you will see this notification like your account has a limited access. So how you will appear to others when in limited access. Users will not see any indication that your account is in limited access. So to regain access or to fix the problem, you can just click on the regain access here when you see this kind of notification on the Discord app. And you can also just scroll down and submit a ticket. You can click here and it will redirect you to a page where you can submit your issue to the help center or the support center of Discord, and they will review your problem and try to solve it. So you can just click on help and support, and or you can just scroll down appeals and edge updates, file a DMCA takedown, contact Discord, privacy. You can just click on any of the option, and you can add your email address and appeal an action taken on my account or bot, and what you do like to appeal, subject, description. You just have to fill up this, and you can add a file as attachment. You can give the screenshot of your limited access in Discord app. So then you can just click on submit, and they will review your appeal and try to regain your limited access in Discord. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.